All right, we are live. How we doing, Tony?
Doing
On this
well.
amazing Fed day,
Yes, sir.
the final Fed day of 2025.
Quite,
But who's counting?
honestly.
Jerome
It's
Powell
just-
Day. He gets a holiday all the time, like 7 days a year, man. It's Jerome's Day.
That's it.
Many think this may be his last rate cut if he does
Yeah.
it, right?
Yeah, potentially, depending on, what they do.
What they do, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, he's out in May anyway, but I don't think he's going to leave earlier, but who knows? Who knows?
I know.
All right, well, let's just get into this because for those here listening, we are going to switch pretty promptly at the top of the hour. We are going to bring Paul back in, and the three of us, Tony, Paul, and myself, will be trading till the cash close end of the day. We are going to listen to the press conference from the FOMC at 2:30 Eastern. So we're just going to be hanging around. So everything from here on out, after we get through the Mag 7, is going to be focused on the interest rate cut, potentially. Potential cut, I should say.
Yep.
All right, so let's knock these out. Let's go through these. Apple, I'll start off with Apple. Apple, again, I suppose it could be worse. It's not bad. It's up 0.5%, and it's trading like, again, right in yesterday. Now, most of these guys are going to be pretty subdued today. Everything's just kind of holding on to bated breath for the FOMC. Some of these will move. Maybe all of them will move quite a bit once we get the release, and then what the commentary may be in the presser after.
Yeah.
But I mean, Apple's been just kind of hanging here in this area, which has been good. It hasn't fallen off. We talked about this yesterday a bunch. It's kind of come back down to where it was prior to jumping up on that all-time high. So it's just it's kind of like almost like it's building a base again. Maybe it goes higher. Maybe today. Maybe depending on what how the FOMC comes out, it may be today. But I don't know. I mean, I don't think there's any real news. I mean.
Yeah, in Apple, no, it doesn't look like there is much going on out there. I mean, again, it's a continuation of yesterday. Sometimes I wish that the Fed announcement came a little bit earlier because
Really? I know.
2 o'clock.
It's
just like
I know.
You're waiting and waiting and waiting.
I know.
But yeah, in terms of the Mag 7, no, I mean, there's really not much going on.
No, there's nothing
which
to say.
Is like
nothing
not good. But I mean, what else would there be to talk about? For a company like this, looks good here. Get long at 278.5 and see what happens. I mean, it is going through like some sort of up channel.
Yeah.
But again, like I don't even know if you can count like the last 4 days because there haven't been many headlines in a lot of these names.
No.
And
correct.
Everyone is just waiting again for the Fed to execute their extra rate cut, hopefully, before these things actually start to move higher. But I mean, it looks pretty good on the 15-minute chart. I mean, it's at least just stair-stepping up. And this is another bounce off of some sort of trend line, intra-month trend line, it seems. So we'll kind of see what the hell happens here with Apple.
Yeah, I'm just looking at news. There's not much. So, okay. We're done. We're moving on to Amazon. Amazon. Look at this boy. Look at this big boy. So, finally get a nice pop to the upside today. Maybe we get a continued move further, depending on what comes out here in the next 35 minutes. But, gapped up right away, almost outside of yesterday's complete range. Probably was in at the value area high, but just left it. Never came back, and we're trading above. Not only were we trading above yesterday, we're trading above Monday, most of Friday. We're doing well here in Amazon. You're probably happy you got in at, I don't know where you got in.
229. So I'm just barely in money.
Okay, well you're okay. You got in. You just got in, so
exactly. I didn't care.
But it's nice to see a nice little jump. It's the best gainer on the day of the Mag 7. And we're currently trading just slightly under VWAP. But again, I wouldn't take any of these trades right now, obviously. I wouldn't trade anything now going into FOMC.
Yep.
But you may want to keep an eye on some of this for a pop to the upside or a drop based on what happens here. If it's something that you're familiar with, one of these stocks, and you've had some experience trading them, you may want to just kind of wait and sit and see what happens after the release, and maybe there's an opportunity for you. But I don't have experience trading these stocks around FOMC. I trade the futures, so I'm not going to even try to come off as an expert or professional with this stuff. It's just not my forte. I'm only looking at kind of what it's doing, right?
Yeah. No,
Bezos,
I know.
Blue Origin working on orbital data center technology. Wall Street Journal, 30 minutes ago. That was a Wall Street Journal report, came through Reuters 30 minutes ago. Okay. All right. Yeah, I mean, again, this thing is, Amazon is so deep. It's got so much depth and breadth of lines and ups, opportunity, potential, just everything to the upside. So
yeah,
great stock to have. I don't really have much to say.
Yeah, and it looks like earlier today, I mean, Amazon to pay around 500 million euros to settle a tax probe in Italy.
I saw this. 580 million. 580 million. More than yeah, I know. That's in Italy, not in Europe. That's just a little country. That's crazy.
And I don't know if this one is in America. This is probably America. It says Amazon notes that delivery now spans throughout 2,300 cities and towns, I assume in the United States. As they expand the same day delivery of perishable groceries. I actually saw this brings me back to kind of the other headline. I saw this the other day that Amazon was trying to, they're still working with the FAA on the drones delivering, different stuff to people's houses via packages, via drone. And it's just like, really? Like, unbelievable.
I mean, what is the recourse? Like, what if it drops it? Let's just say it lands it fine. It doesn't like break anything, but it drops it. Someone's going to take it or drop it in the backyard. The dog chews it up, or you know what I mean? Like, all these things are going to happen.
Yeah.
Or drops it on the lawn. The sprinklers get it all soaked. Like, I don't know.
See, so I wonder,
are they going to fly underneath? Like if you have a porch or a covering, right? Can it get you to the front door like a delivery guy will? Like, I don't know. Like, what do these things do? It's crazy. And then of course some little kid comes out, gets his head whacked off with a blade. I mean, just something. I'm just thinking like the potential liability of all of this is crazy.
Yeah.
But
I know.
I don't know, man.
So I know that they're working through it, and I wonder which one is. I wonder which technology is better, the self-driving car or the drone technology. It's probably the drone technology. I mean, obviously with the military applications and everything else.
It's interesting. The drones have come a long way, right?
I mean, and thinking about flying through, under trees, above trees, whatever,
right?
And like power lines and all that. Like, there's definitely they can identify that type of stuff, right?
I just think the heavy weather could be a problem, like hail, snowstorm, heavy wind, like or do they just not make a delivery at all, or do they go truck delivery, man delivery during that? I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Interesting. Pretty interesting.
All right. I mean, I like it though. It's cool. It's very George Jetson like. I mean, it's just like the future. I always get scared when I talk about these flying cars and stuff. I'm thinking, dude, it's bad enough people can't drive in traffic. What are they gonna do in the air when there's no lanes and stuff? Like, what, you got to crash into people, smash into each other?
Sure.
I always worry about that. Like, like, really? Are we ready to go fly around like in the air? I don't know, man. All right, moving on to Google. Google is hanging tough in range of yesterday. It looks like it's down slightly only because of where it is trading currently to where yesterday closed, but we're right there. We're right there. We're basically right at point of control. Boy, the point of control for yesterday Monday, all literally almost all in the same price. That's crazy.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you don't get more. You don't get more consolidated than that in terms of just where everything's at here.
Mhm. I got it. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, guys, and while we're going through the Mag 7 madness right here, live at Holoprime official, I know that some of you, I see you guys out there. There's actually a couple of you stragglers that are still watching us over at Holoprime TV.
That's the
On
old
that
channel.
YouTube channel. That's the old channel, just like
Come on
Daryl
over to the
says.
new world.
All right, there's actually a link in the chat. If you guys are watching us on the
Yeah.
Holoprime TV YouTube channel, then you might want to transfer
Just
over to
click
the
that
Holoprime
link.
official. Just click on the link.
Click that link and come right over here.
Yeah, yeah. We're trying to get everything into
Or,
one place here, just so that we can have some continuity and the stuff that we do. And I think eventually it'll go by the wayside. But we want you to follow us, subscribe, so that because, like I said, the old channel will eventually fade into the abyss. So again, guys, click the link in the chat if you're watching us at Holoprime TV to come over to the Holoprime official channel. So yeah, Alphabet, it's still just consolidating for its next leg higher, I believe.
It's above this gap. It's been above this gap. It's well above the gap today. It's just right there. It's just right there. It's crazy, but I mean, I guess if you look at this and look at it as a coiling, consolidating thing, it could go either way. I don't expect it to fall, though. I mean, it's just such a strong stock. It's been doing so well for as of late. We've had such good news out of it. So we'll see. Again, I don't know what I would do today. I wouldn't do anything here. Wouldn't do anything.
I know. I don't think that anyone should do anything until.
I mean, check this out. Are we showing my chart? Yeah, we are.
FOMC.
Look at this. See this pink line that goes through? This is basically a micro composite or a composite of all these dailies, right? Going back here to like what? November 24th, right before Thanksgiving. All right. This is the average point of control for all of these 2.5 weeks. We're right on it.